Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Doctor. Today, I'll show you how to turn off call forwarding on your Android phone. Currently, I am using a Xiaomi phone. Now, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. You'll see all your device settings here. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will take you to the list of all the applications available on your phone. Once you're inside the apps, tap on three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Other Settings. You'll see an option System App Settings. Tap on it. After that, select the Phone app and you will land on the Call settings. Simply tap the Call Forwarding settings. Once you do that, you will have to select SIM 1 or SIM 2 from which you want to turn off call forwarding. For now, I will select SIM 1. Here you can see that my call forwarding has been turned off. And if you have call forwarding on, you can turn it off over here. And that's it. Your calls will no longer be forwarded to another number. All incoming calls will now come directly on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Doc. Thanks for watching.